Hey there, ShinVenturers! Ayun na nga, mula sa cool breeze ng Tagbungan Mountain Resort, tuloy ang adventure natin dito sa isa pang hidden gem sa Baco, Oriental Mindoro. Sobrang refreshing at unique ng place na to kasi may pa-waterfalls, multi-layered natural pools, love-lock bridge, at hindi magpapahuli ang higanting tasa at dambuhalang fruit basket. Parang pang-barangay ang dating yan, check. Ipapakita ko din kung paano kami nakarating dito. Sinubukan din natin ang malamig at crystal clear na tubig, kumain ng local food, at syempre, ang mga nakakalokang gastusin. So, let's dive in and discover what makes Infinity Farm worth visiting. Okay, check out na kami. Yeah. Mga gamit, mga bata. Check out na kami, punta naman kami sa Infinity Farm. Yung anak ko na tayo sa Infinity Farm. So hindi natin alam kung anong i-expect sa Infinity Farm.
Walang katapusan na walang katapusan na tungan. Walang katapusan na palayan. Walang katapusan na palayan.
So tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda ang Infinity Farm mamaya.
I just wanna say thank you sa mga subscribers ni Mama Ben dahil may joke sa inyo guys. Why do moms like ketchup? Because they like to catch up in their cooking. Kuya ko, YouTuber. Tita ko, YouTuber. Si Tito Chester, YouTuber rin. I-search nyo sa kanya, CED, said yung tita ko, Shin
Kuya!
Ayun yung tita ko, yung YouTuber. We're gonna go to another pool and maliligo.
Maghapon naman daw, walang problema sa amin. Antayin namin kayo.
Malapit lang ba? Sa amin walang problema. Yung sa dalawa kasi nakasama ko.
Next chapter. Okay, eto na. Alis na tayo.
Checkout time! Medyo nahirapan kami maghanap ng masasakyan paluwas. Buti na lang at na-save ko yung number ni Kuyang tricycle driver the other day at na-text ko siya before checking out. Nagdala din pala siya ng isa pang tricycle para sa mga friends ko kasi hindi kami kasya sa isang tricycle. We told them na dadaan kami sa Infinity Farm before pumunta sa port. So, nag-quote sila ng 400 pesos to Infinity Farm plus 600 pesos to the port per tricycle yun ha. Kasi maghihintay sila sa amin ng matagal. Nag-agree naman din kami kasi ang hirap mag-commute ng may bitbit na mga bata at mabibigat na gamit. As you can see, napaka-scenic ng daanan papunta sa farm. Pack na pack din ang mga mountain ranges nila. Hindi rin papakabog sa Zambales at Bukidnon. Anyway, from Tagbungan Mountain Resort, it took us 30 minutes to get to Infinity Farm, so hindi ganun ka-hassle at hindi masakit sa puwet. If you are coming from Calapan City, you can take a tricycle to the public market, then take a jeepney to Baco, then hanap na lang kayo ng tricycle ulit papunta naman sa resort. Parang parehas lang sa Tagbungan. Shin Venture tip number 1, the farm highly encouraged to make a reservation before your arrival to avoid any hassle, especially during peak season. They accept walk-ins naman, pero if they're busy, you might have a hard time getting in. Punta lang kayo sa website nila to book your visit. Alrighty, so let's talk about the entrance fees. So it costs 200 pesos per adult, 160 pesos per senior or PWDs, and 150 pesos naman per kid 4 to 10 years old. Pero for kids that are 3 feet below, they're free of charge. Kami! Dalawang tricycle. So, ang vlogger na. Ba't nasa likod ka? So, hi, me! Note that they're open from Wednesday to Monday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and they are closed every Tuesday, so make sure to plan your trip accordingly. And of course, you will be asked to pay at the main entrance before issuing the wristbands.
Subscribe to my channel.
Then after settling the payments, we rode the tricycle again to go to the resort. Approximately 5 to 7 minutes lang siya from the main entrance. You will know that you arrived when you see the huge fruit basket decoration sa labas. Color siya sa laki. Then meron ulit staff dyan to check the wristbands for each guest, and they will inspect your bags kasi outside food are not allowed inside the resort except cakes. They have a restaurant kasi inside, kaya make sure na free of food ang mga bags nyo. Daming fruits! I like the fruits!
Nag-vlog siya si Mama B.
Hello! Infinity Pine! Entrance. Upon entering, you will be greeted by the lush greeneries and a preview of their natural river on the left side.
Oh my God.
Then on the right side are their modern and clean bathrooms and showers. Bet na bet ko tong outdoor showers nila, napakalinis. Walang hot water pero hindi na tayo choosy. After a few steps, you will see the souvenir shop, stores, and restaurants on the right side. Then on the left side is their multi-layered natural pools na mega clear and very mesmerizing. Sa tabi ng river are the free tables for visitors to leave your stuff or eat your food. Infinity Farm does not offer accommodations at the moment, so for visitors who would like to spend the night, you can stay at Tagbungan Mountain Resort, then day tour na lang kayo like what we did, or look for an alternative accommodation near the farm. Up to you guys. Activities that you can do here are pretty much swimming, trekking, and sightseeing lang. This is a family-friendly resort and you can bring kids, but you must look after your little ones at all times. For remote workers, sad to say that the mobile signal here is low to non-existent, though the resort offers paid Wi-Fi, but I'm not sure how strong the signal is.
Welcome to Infinity Farm! Linaw ng water, mga friends. Ang ganda. Hindi ba tayo? Wow, amazing. The flowers. Look. May malaking cup.
At ito na nga ang pangmalakasan nilang kapehan, kabog ang tasa ni Starbucks. Chars.
Ay, ang ganda ng tutubi. Ay, nawala yung tutubi. Ayan o. Alamig, friends. Nasira yung chanelas ko. Sarap baba. Amazing. Ikot natin. Grabe, ganda! God!
Alrighty, samahan nyo naman akong libutin ang resort na to.
puso, tumalamok.
Sabi ko, yung mga agi, yung mga gano'n. Yan lang yung drone nyo.
Sunod na pa sana talaga. Ha?
Diba? Ganda na?
It took me 20 to 30 minutes to get here. I was initially with my mom but we had to go back halfway kasi nag-aalala kami sa mga bata. So I decided to continue the trail with my friend Angel para marating ko tong dulo na part. I'm glad I did kasi ang ganda pala dito. Very Instagrammable like this.
Daming falls, ang dami niyang layer. Doon sa isa, anim eh. Dito, unlimited. Infinite nga. Infinity. Literal na infinity, mga ba. Sulit ang bayan.
Time to eat. We ordered from one of their restaurants. So, itong pancit bihon bilao cost 450 pesos. Ang rice plate is 150 pesos. And then, whole fried chicken was 450 pesos. And as usual, after eating, kailangan naman natin mag-burn ng calories. Kaya samahan nyo kami mag-swimming.
So There guys, we're gonna go underwater. Laila. Let's go. Ilalim. Ilalim. Alis dyan. Bye-bye.
At sa linaw ng tubig hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang mga underwater videos natin. Alrighty, so overall, Infinity Farm is truly a gem. Ang ganda ng lugar, sobrang refreshing. The crystal clear waters, mini waterfalls, and natural pools make it the perfect escape from the city hustle. Plus, may mga unique spots pa like the Love Lock Bridge and those giant props for fun photos. And the staff here are super friendly and helpful. They even assist with photos. So sulit na sulit ang visit. So the only downside, wala talagang mobile signal. Kung may kailangan kang kontakin, better gawin mo na bago ka pumunta. But honestly, mas okay na din yun. No distractions, just pure nature and relaxation. Kaya kung mahilig ka sa nature, adventure at chill vibes, this place won't disappoint.
The python, joke lang. Alam niyo yung ahas sa Ebatadan, yung color green, may kinain siya na forbidden fruit, yung ahas. Accidentally na nakain yung yung yellow na mansanas. Kaya siya naging color yellow na Kaya ayun itsura niyo. Diba, Pogi?
Okay, kaya! Thank you! Hoy, dalhin mo yung tulungan mo. Restaurant.
Souvenir shop. No, masaya ka naman sa ano mo? Alright, so guys, we're gonna go home na. We spent like a couple of hours here. At so far, okay naman. Actually, mas preferred namin siya kesa doon sa Tagbungan Mountain Resort. Ewan ko, mas malinis kasi yung tubig, mas malawak, and
Mas malamig.
malamig. Mas marami kang i-explore. Anyway, ano pa ba masasabi mo?
Masabi ko, magaganda ang souvenirs nila.
Maganda souvenirs nila.
Ano, kulang na lang lahat bilhin ko.
Trot. So anyway,
Yes,
ito
ganda.
na at uuwi na kami. Punta namin ang aming tricycle. Bye-bye! Vlog!
Bye po!
Ang bilet. Kapon, umulan ngayon. Hindi. Wala tayo dito sa... Asan na si Kuya Tricycle? Hi! Hi everyone! Okay, time check. It's already 11, so we really have to go back to the pier kasi at 12:40 ang aming row-row! Row-row! Sana may aircon yung yung boat natin. Ay, boat. Yung barko na. Alam mo ko? Ay, barko. Boat na. Sige, okay na kaya. Thank you.
Bakit hindi tayo na ganyan, friend?
Check-in ng aking mama sa Ocean Jet from Calapan to Batangas.
Uwi na kasi kami.
Maghihintay mo na kami for a few minutes here.
Wala pa rin, sarado pa rin, oh.
That sums up our trip to Oriental Mindoro. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, at i-click ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga susunod nating adventures. This is Shin once again, inviting everyone to stay curious, stay adventurous, and as always, keep exploring. Kita-kits sa susunod na lakwatsa. Okay, Asha. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!